Welcome to another edition of Whiskey, Games, and Nerd Stuff. Today's whiskey is actually a beer, because sometimes you just want a beer. And today's nerd stuff is we're going to go and open up pack 4 of this collection booster. Today's beer is DNR. It's 10% alcohol by volume, so this is not something that you're going to want to drink a whole 6-pack of and then, go out for a walk. I'll go ahead and show the can. And let's go ahead and open this up. That is a good beer. That's really good. I enjoy that. I'm going to go ahead and move it out of the way for now while we open up the pack. And let's go ahead and see if I can do this a little bit better than I have the last couple ones. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I think it did okay compared to how I have been doing these. Alright, so we've got a Claim the Precious. Then I'm not even going to try and say that one. Roham Lancer. Willow Wind, Shadow Summering, Samaran's Trickery. We have an island. I really do like these foil islands, the foil lands. We've got Sharky, Tyrant, and the Shire. We have the Rings Go South, Monstrosity of the Lake, Elrond, Lord of Rivendell. That's kind of cool. We've got Rivendell, Prince Amaro the Fair. Oh, and this is I like that. This is a cool card. Farmer Field Commander. I really like that. That foiling is really cool. Arwen Fearless Knight. And then we have a food token and a human token. So I will go ahead and go through real quick again what we've got. What would be awesome is if I did this and realized there was a really cool card on the second pass through that I did not notice on the first pass through. And let's go ahead and take another sip of our beer. So this was just a quick pack opening of one of the collector boosters for Lord of the Rings, the collection booster, and enjoying a DNR beer. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this while I open the pack. And until next time, cheers.